Hello friends, on this video how you can use swipe gestures or three button navigation on your infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, you have to move on setting. When you move on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling till end. Okay, so under the last option you are going to find system. So friends, just tap on system. When you tap on system, from here you are going to find this icon backup to this third option, system navigation. So you have to click on system navigation. When you click on system navigation, here you can see the first icon is the guest navigation, the second icon is the three button navigation, and under it says activate voice assistant. To activate voice assistant, you can activate your voice assistant also. And if you want to use this swipe gestures, just the first option is the swipe gestures. Okay, gesture navigation. So just tap on here the first icon, and here your button will be move. Look here, it has been moved, right? And friends, if you want to use this button navigation, you don't like this swipe gesture navigation, then you can select this second icon. And if you don't know how to use this swipe gesture, then here it's showing, here is the back button, this side also back button, and this is the home button, and from here the is the recent, okay, recent apps that you can clear. See this one. Okay, you can use like this. Here three button navigation if you want to use. So friends, if you want more about it, then here about the system navigation, then tap on more setting, and from here you can change your layout. Okay, the button layout, which one you want, this back button should be left or the right. Okay, I mean right or left, left, right, which one you want, you can select from here which one. Okay, example like I select it. Okay friends, and friends, here is the voice assistant. To activate voice assistant, press and hold the home button. You have to press and hold your home button if you want to activate your voice assistant. I have activated my voice assistant, and it said when an assistant can start when another app is using the microphone. So it cannot start because I'm using screen recorder. That's why it cannot use. But if you want to use, then you can use through this without opening your screen recorder, without using your another apps. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.